Welcome to Product Critique, where today we'll be talking about the Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks. If you're looking for the best all-purpose glue sticks, you've come to the right place. These glue sticks are perfect for a variety of school, crafting, and office projects. Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks are a must-have for anyone who wants smooth application without the mess. They come in a pack of 30, with each stick weighing 7 grams. These glue sticks are washable, making cleanup a breeze if any glue accidentally gets on your hands or clothes. The formula is non-toxic, acid-free, and photo-safe, making them a safe choice for kids and adults alike. The glue dries quickly, going on smooth and clear, leaving no visible residue behind. Elmer's all-purpose glue sticks are ideal for bonding paper, cardboard, foam board, and display boards. Whether you're working on a school project or a craft at home, these glue sticks will hold your materials together with ease and precision. Plus, they are easy to use, just apply, press, and you're done. Perfect for any arts, crafts, or school project, these Elmer's glue sticks are the go-to solution for anyone looking for reliability and quality. Make sure to stock up on this essential crafting tool, and trust Elmer's for all your glue needs. Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a look at what many call the best all-purpose glue sticks, Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks. Whether you're a student, a crafter, or a parent, these glue sticks are designed to make your life easier, and we're about to tell you why. First off, let's talk about what makes these glue sticks stand out. Elmer's all-purpose glue sticks are perfect for a wide range of materials. From paper and foam to cardboard and display boards, this glue sticks to almost anything. You won't have to worry about it leaving behind messy clumps or streaks. It applies smoothly and dries clear. Plus, it dries quickly, which is great if you're working on time-sensitive projects. One of the major advantages of these glue sticks is that they're washable and non-toxic. If you're working with kids or just want something safe for home use, this is a big plus. No need to worry about harmful chemicals or stains, as these glue sticks are acid-free and photo-safe. So, you can use them on all your precious projects without worrying about the materials getting damaged over time. Each pack includes 30 glue sticks, with each stick weighing in at 7 grams, perfect for handling small to medium-sized crafting tasks. Whether you're gluing foam, cardboard, or just doing a simple paper craft, Elmer's all-purpose glue sticks have got you covered. Another fantastic feature is how easy they're to store and use. They come in a compact, easy-to-hold shape, which means you can just grab one and start applying without any hassle. There's no mess, no fuss, just a quick and clean way to get your projects done. In terms of affordability, Elmer's glue sticks are competitively priced, especially when you consider how well they work across a range of different materials. They offer great value for anyone who needs reliable glue for school, crafts, or home use. Overall, Elmer's all-purpose school glue sticks are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable, no-mess adhesive. Whether you're tackling a classroom project, a DIY craft, or a simple home fix, these glue sticks make the task that much easier. So, if you haven't tried them yet, it might just be time to pick up a pack and see what all the fuss is about. Thanks for watching Product Critique.